let's dive into the world of paid advertising, a crucial component of digital marketing that can elevate your business to new heights. Imagine you're a small business owner, perhaps a local coffee shop, trying to attract new customers. You've got the best brews in town, but how do you let people know? Enter paid advertising, specifically pay-per-click or PPC and social ads. These tools are like a megaphone for your business, amplifying your voice in the crowded digital marketplace. So, what exactly is PPC? It's an advertising model where you pay a fee each time someone clicks on your ad. Think of it as a way to buy visits to your site rather than earning them organically. Picture this. You're a plumber, and you want to appear at the top of Google search results when someone types in emergency plumbing services. With PPC, you can do just that. You bid on keywords, and when someone searches for those terms, your ad pops up. It's immediate visibility, which is invaluable. Now, let's talk about social ads. These are ads displayed on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. They can take many forms: sponsored posts, eye-catching videos, or even banners designed to grab attention. The beauty of social ads lies in their ability to target specific audiences based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. So, if your target market is young adults interested in fitness, you can create visually appealing ads that resonate with them on Instagram or TikTok. The advantages of paid advertising are plentiful. First, you get targeted reach. Your ads are shown to specific groups of people who are more likely to engage with your product or service. Second, the results are immediate. Unlike organic methods that take time to build momentum, paid ads can drive traffic and conversions almost instantly. Finally, the metrics you receive are detailed and measurable, allowing you to assess performance and return on investment, or ROI, effectively. But before you jump into the world of paid advertising, let's talk about budgeting and targeting, which are essential for maximizing the efficiency of your campaigns. Start by setting clear campaign goals. What do you want to achieve? Is it brand awareness, generating leads, or driving sales? Once you have your goals, determine your ad spend. It's wise to start with a smaller budget, let's say $500 a month for a test campaign on Google Ads, and monitor how it performs. If it's successful, you can scale up. Next, you need to allocate your budget across different platforms based on where your target audience spends their time. If you're selling a visually appealing product, you might want to invest more in Instagram ads. Conversely, if your audience is more professional, LinkedIn might be the way to go. Targeting is where the magic happens. You can filter audiences based on demographics like age, gender, income, and education. For instance, if you're advertising luxury watches, you'd likely want to target individuals aged 30 to 50 with higher incomes. Geographic targeting is also crucial. If you're promoting a local service like pizza delivery, you want to ensure your ads reach users in that specific area. Behavioral targeting takes it a step further. You can focus on users' shopping habits or content consumption. If someone has recently browsed fitness gear, showing them ads for running shoes could be a smart move. Interest-based targeting allows you to display ads based on what users are interested in, like promoting hiking gear to outdoor enthusiasts. And let's not forget retargeting, which lets you re-engage users who have previously interacted with your brand but didn't convert. Imagine showing a special discount to someone who left items in their shopping cart. That's a powerful nudge to get them back. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of using analytics to refine your advertising strategies. Analytics are your best friend when it comes to assessing the effectiveness of your campaigns. Key metrics to track include click-through rate, CTR, which tells you the percentage of users who clicked on your ad. A high CTR indicates that your ad is relevant and engaging. Then there's the conversion rate, which shows you the percentage of users who completed a desired action, like making a purchase or signing up for a newsletter. Cost per click, CPC, is another vital metric. It tells you how much you're paying for each click on your ad. The lower the CPC, the more cost-efficient your traffic generation is. Return on ad spend, ROAS, is crucial too. It tells you how much revenue you're earning for every dollar spent on ads. You'll also want to keep an eye on impressions and reach. Impressions are the number of times your ad is shown, while reach is the number of unique users who see your ad. A high bounce rate, which indicates the percentage of visitors who leave your site without taking action, may signal mismatched targeting or a poorly designed landing page. Using tools like Google Analytics and Facebook Ads Manager can provide you with the insights you need to monitor these metrics effectively. Google Analytics tracks conversions and user behavior, while Facebook Ads Manager gives you detailed insights into ad performance and audience engagement. Once you have all this data, it's time to refine your strategies. A/B testing is a fantastic way to see what works best. You can run variations of your ads to determine which headlines, images, or calls to action resonate more with your audience. Adjust your targeting based on performance metrics, focusing on the demographics that show higher engagement. Optimize your bids to concentrate on high-performing ads or keywords, and don't forget to improve your landing pages to ensure they're relevant and user-friendly. Finally, reallocate your budget from low-performing campaigns to those that are converting well. This is where you can truly maximize your ROI. In conclusion, PPC and social ads are powerful tools that can provide immediate results and measurable ROI. By mastering budgeting and targeting, along with leveraging analytics, you can refine your ad campaigns and achieve your business goals. Whether you're a small business owner or a marketing professional, embracing these strategies can set you on the path to success in the digital landscape.